We've been deceived, we've been mistaken. Now I see right through the lies. We must be free and unforsaken. All my fears are left behind. It's only you I've been afraid of. I have believed you were unkind. Now if you feel your mind breaking, join the scene and don't be shy. Now come with me, no hesitation, and I will teach you how to fly. Trust your heart, it's like a river, running wild and running free. Trust your heart, it's like a river, running wild to the sea. Trust your soul, you'll find the answer. Trust in you and trust in me. Trust your soul, you'll find the answer. Trust in you, you will see. Our truth is told throughout the ages. We are more than flesh and bone. It's only those who build the cages that make the war with a heart of stone. We are one world, there is no changing. Break down the door, be free to roam. It's only gold that causes rages. Believing lore has changed our tone. In everyone, there's something sacred long before the day we're born. Trust your heart, it's like a river, running wild and running free. Trust your heart, it's like a river, running wild to the sea. Trust your soul, you'll find the answer. Trust in you, trust in me. Trust your soul, you'll find the answer. Trust in you, and you will see. So make the claim to the outrageous. Let go of fear and live as one. Stand in the rain, stand and be sacred. Our claim is here, it has begun. Let go of pain, it's an illusion, and we don't need to use a gun. Don't be insane, no more confusion. We'll let them see, we will not run. I don't need a dose of false transfusion. All I need is your true love.